Thanks for joining me. My name's Felicia, and today I'm going to share with you how to make a donut pan when you can't find a donut pan and you've got to have a donut. So this is what I came up with. I couldn't find a donut at any of the local stores. So I know what a donut is supposed to look like. So I said, well, look at this water bottle. Turn that upside down, you know, that's kind of like the inside of the donut. So I started with the water bottle. And then I said, well, I need something that's about the shape of a donut. So I came up with this jar. You might come up with maybe just a bowl. That would make a really big donut, but you might have a big appetite for donuts. That would work. This one would probably work too, maybe a little smaller donut. This glass would work, but it would work a lot better if it was wider on the bottom. So we're gonna go with this little glass mason jar. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a sheet of aluminum foil like this. I'm going to place it over the water bottle, and I'm just going to gently form it. If I squeeze it too tight, then it'll be hard to pop off. So I'm just going to kind of gently smooth it out, and then I'm going to take my special donut shaper and put it over the bottle like this, and then I'm just going to gently bring the aluminum foil up. And once again, we don't want to make it too tight because of the shape of this glass jar would prevent the mold from coming off. So we're just going to gently bring it up and push it around the edge. And then I'm going to just kind of fold it down so I can see the bottom of this wonderful glass mold. And you see this is a little low, so I'm just gonna pinch it and bring it up so that the batter that goes in later won't ooze out. So then I'm gonna squeeze it to get that shape. Again, now I'm going to gently take off this. Now, I have turned it upside down, and you can use your fingers, or you can even put the water bottle back in there, and now to shape and work that just a little bit. You don't have to. And we have a donut mold. Now, we have already tried this in our test kitchen, and it worked fabulous. What we did was when we were ready, I put the donut batter in a really large cake piping bag, or you could take a gallon baggie, snip off the one corner. Be careful not to snip too much because it makes a big hole to pipe with. And you can pipe your batter in there, and it'll help the donut when it cooks to actually keep its donut shape. But before you do that, take your favorite oil. We use coconut oil, and we just gently oil this a little bit, and then the donut will just pop right out. And we've even found we can reuse our little donut mold at least one more time. So good luck with your homemade donut molds, and share your favorite donut recipes with us because we're looking for great ones too. Have a great day.
Good job.
Bye. Say bye, Felicia.
Who you are, first of all, a brief introduction of what you're doing.
Are you ready?
Yeah, now the camera's shaking. Okay.
It'll stop. So, once again, I'm Felicia.
Not once again. Yeah, but nobody's seen the other video.
Nobody's seen me again. Hi. I'm glad you have joined me on Instagram. My name is...
No.
No.
This is for YouTube.
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 Okay.